Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Have Knowledge with JRP, and in this video we'll see how to uh, upload videos to YouTube. So first of all, you need to have a YouTube channel, and if you have one, that's a great thing. You can do so many things with your channel, like adjusting it with fonts and stuff, and that's really fun. But uploading videos is another important thing. So in this video, we'll learn how to do it. So first of all, we take a video, which I have taken one, and then you go to the channel. So I'm just going to go to my channel, which is How Knowledge with JRP. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm signed in to my Google account, which is which is connected with my YouTube, and then I can get the option to customize channel and manage video. So we want to go on manage videos. Then it's going to take us to the channel content YouTube studio, and now we will be seeing over here. So here are all my videos, but let's make a new one. And to make a new one, we have to go on the top right, create. We upload video, and then it gives us the option to select our files. And that's really nice thing that gives us the option to select it. And then we select our files, and then I've taken this video, and then let's go here, click it, open, and then voila, it's done. You want to make sure it's for making sure it's the correct one. You can check the size of the video and how much video looks like. Then we can title it. So this video is okay. So now I'm titling it. Okay, so now my title is completed. Now I'm gonna write my description, which is going to be okay. So tells us about how to screen record our screen in a nice and a optional way. Okay, so my description is completed. Now I can add my thumbnails. To add my thumbnails, I'm gonna go on upload thumbnail if you have created one. If you don't know how to create one, then don't worry. You can watch my previous videos in which I have one video telling how to paste a thumbnail. And I think that can be a really nice upload for you. Now I want to go on downloads. So let me see if I have one video. Yep. So I have this thumbnail, and I've included this thumbnail in over here. So as you can see, it's screen recording. So now you'll see over here. Okay, now I don't know any playlists. Okay, I didn't do any of it because I don't like it. Okay, and then next. Okay, so I need to fill this. So it's probably yes, it's made for kids. I can go next. So I cannot add these ones because it is made for kids. And then we don't care about it. We go on the next. Copyright issues, no issues found. Let's go next. Then here's how our video looks like. I don't want to be private. I want it to be public. So everyone can watch your videos. So everyone can watch my videos. Or if it's private, no one can watch your video. Okay, so now you have the option of publishing it on the bottom. So you probably publish it. And then you can share it with other people. And now I can close this. Now it's updated. How to screen record your screen. And now it's updated really nicely. And now you can go to another tab. Okay, you just go over here. And now you can, you just need to reload it. And now, how to screen record your screen. Nimbus 2021, have knowledge with JRP, and now it's 32 seconds ago. That's what happened right now. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to upload videos on YouTube. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel and videos. Thanks for watching. See you in a nice next video. Bye.